The 5 pillars of Islam form the foundation of a Muslim's faith and practice. The first pillar, Shahada, is the declaration of faith, which states, "There is no God but Allah and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah." This profound statement signifies the belief in the oneness of Allah and the finality of Muhammad's prophethood. The second pillar, Salah, refers to the 5 daily prayers that every Muslim performs at prescribed times. From the first light of dawn to the quiet of night, these prayers, including Fajr at dawn and Isha at night, foster a deep connection with Allah throughout the day. The third pillar, Zakat, emphasizes the importance of charity in Islam. Muslims are encouraged to give a fixed portion of their wealth, usually 2.5%, to support the poor and needy each year, ensuring that no one is left behind. The fourth pillar, Sawm, represents fasting during the month of Ramadan. From dawn to sunset, Muslims abstain from food, drink, and other invalidators, allowing for deep spiritual reflection and growth while fostering empathy for those who are less fortunate. The fifth pillar, Hajj, is the pilgrimage to Mecca that every Muslim must undertake at least once in their lifetime if they are physically and financially able. This momentous journey unites believers from around the world, reflecting the essence of equality and community in Islam.